Hello guys. Hello guys. Today we're going to explain. Hello guys. Today we're going to explain point tables, where we're gonna get like create a new tables, then make like point table for that point. First thing, as usual, I'm going to make coordination system. So I'm going to the setting, general. I'm gonna use coordination system for Oman. We're going to choose easily imagery. It is mascot right here. We're going to make like points right here manually. Then we're going to make like point tables over that. But first thing, we're gonna change it to the easily map. Yeah, easily map. I'm going to make some points right here, random points. Point selection tool. It's going to be like manual. Like for example, for this one, for this building, I'm gonna choose the first point. I'm gonna call it like building. Enter. Then elevation, nothing. This is the first point. Second point. Third point. Fourth point. Fifth point. Sixth point. So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. That's enough for me. Now I want to make another point, like for another building. This building. Same thing, it's going to be building. And the last point, the last building. That's enough. So we have 4 building right here. I want to number it and give it like a new style. The first thing, I have to go to the like point group, make new point group. I will call it building group. Include build. Point list. So I got all the points right here. I'm going to the first thing, I'm going to like choose whatever here, benchmark. Okay, yeah, I got the different like point style points. I'm gonna delete all this like numbers and all that stuff. I'm gonna choose the building, right click, going to the properties. I'm gonna delete this one, nothing. So I got benchmark just for the places right here. I would like to make numbers here and then make point tables mentioning that's numbers. For example, I would like to go to this one. I will like hide this one, then I'm gonna copy current selection. I will delete description. All what I need here just point number. I'm gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna choose other type. Oh, blue, and bold. It's going to be look like this. I would like to make it bigger a little bit, 5. Then the border, it has to be circle. Background mask to 1, right? That's it. So look what we got right here. But it is so big. What I need to like make it to fit. I just going to the editing, then I choose 2. It might be like 1.5. It is better 1.5. 1.5. And here we are. We got the point on its places for each building. Now I would like to make point tables mentioning the numbers and the north and east coordination system. So I have two options to make tables. The first one, I'm going to the adding tables. I'm choosing point group, okay, and polygon selection. I don't want elevation. I will like description. All what I need just point number, point number. So I'm gonna choose point number. Okay, I got point number, point number. Point number, and I'm gonna delete this one. Point number has to be the first. Okay, this is the style of the tables. So this is the first options. I don't need to like repeat this thing. I'm going to just edit something. I'm gonna delete this one, and I would like to make background mask for the tables. So here it is. I have a table for all this point at the same times. But sometimes I would like just to get point table just for this building, mentioning the numbers and northing and easting. This is mentioning northing and easting. This is mentioning northing and easting. I don't need this whole tables for this. What I should do to make that tables? It is easy. Let's first get a new from templates layout. Going to my books. Layout. I downloaded just layout from the AutoCAD file. Scroll double, yeah. I have this building. Just like regenerate. Let's go to the models. I would like to make tables for this one. What I should do? Going to the tables, add point tables, choose the style that I just created. Then instead of choosing whole point group, I'm going to just choose this one, point selected. Then I'm gonna hover over it, enter. We got just 6 points. 6 points is going to be easy. This point table just for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables. I want to make it like smaller. This one. I'm going to the 1.5, 1, 1. Okay. Here we go. We got just point table for this one. I would like to make another point table just for those points. Let's go to the make it like looks another way. I would like to make tables for this house. The same thing. I'm going to the annotate tables, point tables, then choose the styles, hover over it, enter, then okay. Here we go. We got it. Point tables for this house. The last one, we're going back to the this format. I'm going to the annotation. I'm going to choose the styles, then choose the point, enter. Let's just 13 point. Okay. Point table from 11 to 23. 23. So it is just reflect whatever place you would like to make. Like for this one, point table for just 4 points, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's so easy. It is automated. This one and the last one. This is the original one for all the points. Yeah, the file is going to be attached. I hope you learn new things. Thanks guys very much.